Matt, we got an EAS. We got an EAS. Totally unexpected.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Westchester County in southeast New York, Rockland County in southeast New York, until 7:45 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from a cluster of showers and thunderstorms that continue to generate over the warned area. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New York, Rockland, and Westchester. Here is the fork.
Okay, that was totally unexpected.
Get that?
Yeah, I did. And my 100 downstairs is still on tone, so hold on a second. There we go. Flash flood warning. I don't know where the heck that came from.
Oh, wow.